There's a wide array of different types of certifications that you'll need to be concerned about depending on your type of product. Most importantly, for electronics, you need to be certain that your product is following all FCC regulations for the US markets, as well as all RED certifications for the European markets, as well as a myriad of other electronic and emitting certifications for different markets across the world. For example, with the FCC, there is a clause that pertains to every consumer electronics item unintentional emitters. Radiation that comes from any product that has a PCB inside of it. It's especially important that these unintentional emitters fall within certain frequency ranges to ensure that they don't cause interference with other products in your home. In terms of other parts for your product, like plastics, pressure regulators, any other type of mechanical device, you want to be sure that you're testing your product to the exact specifications of the certification for that regulatory market to ensure that you have full compliance so that your product is not put on hold in those markets. If you choose not to certify your product, especially in certain markets, you run huge risks to not only your product, but also your entire organization in legal fees, stop shipments, and potential legal action against your company as well. During your design phase is the best time to be able to implement and test your product to ensure that you're passing when you get to the point of mass production or even pilot production. There's multiple different ways to get your certifications. You can do it yourself and work with a regulatory board. This can be difficult and the bureaucratic process can be quite overwhelming. We recommend that you work with a certification house that will be able to provide you the guidance as well as run the testing for your specific product and provide any feedback for improvements so that you can pass those tests. With an electronics component that is relatively simple, it can take up to 1 or 2 months to be able to move through the certification process. If you do happen to fail a certification test, by working with a certification house, you can quickly and easily make design iterations and design changes and be able to go back to testing and try again.